Hi, this is Giorgio Musso from Thales Alenia Space Italia. In the frame of the ORU-BOAS activity, the role of Thales Alenia Space Italia is mainly focused on the market and economic studies review and exploitation plan and the system concept description. Early in the project, the market and economic studies have the aim to identify the new market opportunities for on-orbit services and in space manufacturing and assembly, for giving a founded orientation for the in-orbit demonstration definition and the development activities. The classification of services according to time perspective takes into account the availability and the maturity of the enabling technologies and the impacts on the client satellites. Therefore, we can distinguish incremental phases for the application of on-orbit services. In the very short term, services regard existing satellites that are not prepared for in-orbit servicing. ORU-BOAS approach requires a prepared satellite and, therefore, on-orbit services are not considered applicable to ORU-BOAS in this phase. Medium term, beyond 2026, for simple robotic services to prepare a satellite. Long term, beyond 2030, for advanced robotic services on new generation satellites and assembly support to exploration. Very long term, beyond 2035, for in-orbit manufacturing and recycling. The analysis and the consideration made indicate that satellites with launch mass higher than 1,000 kilos are the best potential candidates for on-orbit service. The distribution by domain and by customer in low Earth orbit indicate also the predominance of institutional market for telecommunication and Earth observation. The system concept description of the ORU-BOAS study is aimed to identify all necessary hardware and software to fulfill in order to perform the demo mission. The system concept description has the scope to describe the target demonstration and operation preliminary concept, define the mission concept for assembly in space, giving preliminary mission level requirements covering the new system concepts, define the overall concept of operations, identification of the overall system needs and capabilities. Different mission phases have been analyzed to identify the operations to be performed by the ORU-BOAS demonstrator during each on-orbit phase in terms of operational scenario, interface required, and environmental aspects potentially affecting the operational performances of the spacecraft.